Scan this QR code directly from Excel, and my YouTube channel opens instantly. No sketchy websites, no blurry images. Everything happens 100% inside Excel. Let me show you how. First, open your Excel file and go to the Insert tab. Right in the middle, click on the orange store icon. In the search bar, type QR4 Office and click Add. It's completely free. A panel will open on the right. Paste your link here, then select https:// from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to increase the size slider so your QR code stays sharp and high definition. Click the blue Insert button. If you see this error message, here is the exact step-by-step fix. Right-click on the QR code preview, click Save Picture As, and save it to your computer. Then, go to the Insert tab in Excel, click Pictures, and select your file. And there you go. Now let's test it. As you can see, I scan the QR code with my smartphone, and it opens my YouTube channel instantly. It works perfectly. Now your Excel files are interactive. Let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues, and see you in the next tutorial.